Agus an tá Morgan Doyle is AIB chun gradam Laoch na hImeartha ar Kevin Grogan as Kilcormac-Killoughey. Kevin, I suppose coming in today, nobody really gave you any chance. Did you believe yourselves that you had a good chance today?
We did, yeah. We always said all along during the week there we'd give it a good rattle anyway. We thought we could win them in the last 15 minutes. We knew we'd come good.
What I noticed today is you played in that kind of traditional Offaly style. You don't hang around, you let the ball go in as fast and as quickly as possible into the forwards.
Danny told us all week to move the ball fast, get into the full forward line as quick as we could, and thought we'd upset them a bit like that, and it worked out today.
And what was noticeable today is that several times when they got a score, you came straight back and replied with a score of your own. And the goal, I suppose, early in the game was crucial to settle you down.
Yeah, the goal made a big difference at the start. We always knew this time of year, if you get a goal, it makes an awful difference in bad conditions and that. And we were lucky enough today, we got it.
It was nice to have Daniel Curran be able to come back on, and he scored those last 2 points, which put you over the line.
Yeah, it's great to have a player like Dan on the team. So it is like he popped up for the first goal and got injured, and he came back on there and he settled us again.
It will shorten the winter, I'd say.
It will, yeah. We'll enjoy this one now for a few days anyway and take it from there anyway.